So, hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna tell you the mistakes you do, and I would say the very silly mistakes you do in interview. And before that, let me first introduce myself to you. My name is Divya, and I work as HR executive, and it's almost more than 5 years to me being into this profile. You know what? Being an HR, the friend of yours, the people around you, they have always a question. Tell me the tips. What's the best way to crack the interview? Why there is always like I'm not getting selected, and why the some people are getting selected always? And the more repetitive one, can you tell me the questions they will ask? So in this video, since the corona timing is going on and many kind of jobs are less in market, and then it gets little tough to stand out from the other people. And if it is already tough, and with that if you'll make the mistakes as well, then I'm sorry to say you are just super foolish. But till the time you don't know that you are doing mistake, you are completely safe from being called super foolish. And also you are having this realization that you are doing mistake in interview, and that's why you are landed on this video, then I must say you are the smart one. Make sure you watch this video till the end because there is a bonus tip for you people which can really help you to get an edge on the other candidates. I'll say the first mistake that people does is do not ask about their job profile. I've noticed many times that I call up candidates and ask about their job profile, what they are into, what's their work experience. And when I tell them this is a job opening we have in our company, and then many are like, yes ma'am, I'm okay, you can proceed further, without even asking what's our role and responsibility come under this job profile, what's company need is, how old is the company, what's company's business, when they have to join, what's the interview process, etc, etc. Yes, these questions play important role, and they show from your side as well that you are also as much as concerned about the career and about the job role you are going to perform in the company as company towards hiring the best candidate for the job profile. Asking this question also help you to clear your further round of interviews after screening round with HR, as you know that what's company needed, what's company's business and other things, then you can better prepare yourself. So if someone calls you for a job opening, you can ask them to provide you job description of the profile, company website link, so that you can prepare yourself well for the interview. So the second mistake is should not face the interview with having the expectation of being get selected. Yes, it might sound awkward to you, but let me explain you what I'm trying to say here. And I'm sure you too will agree with this. You know, this is what I personally experienced many times when you are desperately in need of job and jo ki hoti bhi hai. What happens next is that it somehow gets you into this scenario that where you seem trying your best to give the perfect answer. But since you always have this thing in mind that you need this job, then it does not come out in best way, and it makes you feel nervous also. On the other hand, when you are having this mindset that you can only do is to give your best shot, not worrying about what will happen next, you will be okay in whatever the outcome comes, then there is always a win-win situation. In this way, when you face an interview, your mind works just mind-blowing. Sometimes it's just hard to believe that what an answer I gave for that question. Surely I can say that many of you must have experienced it and will agree with this. Now the third and the last biggest mistake is unsurety about your resume. Very serious mistake is prevailing in our culture. You have mentioned in your resume that this certificate, this skill, this hobby you are interested in, and when the interviewer asks you about the same thing, why you are interested in these things, and you are like in asking to your inner self that resume se kaun पूछता hai. You never know, dear, what could be asked. If this thing you can prepare to have the full knowledge what all you have written in your resume, then at least be prepared with that. You want really well experienced people also does this mistake. Let me tell you the recent case. So there is my friend, her interview was lined up and she was giving the interview, and in between that one question was being asked which was related to the workshop she attended, and that was mentioned in her resume, but in reality she didn't attend any such kind of workshop. She just mentioned that to look resume cool, but when this question was being asked to her, then she was like what to say now, because she was completely unaware about that particular workshop. So guys, I'm not saying that mention the things in your resume that you are not done. It's just that every line and word that you have mentioned in your resume, you should be aware of. एंड अगर कुछ मेंशन भी कर रहे हो लाइक दैट गर्ल, तो उसके बारे में पता हो, उसके बारे में एटलीस्ट कुछ नॉलेज रखो. द बोनस टिप, आस्क द क्वेश्चन इन द एंड फ्रॉम द इंटरव्यूअर. It does not mean that now it's your turn to interview the interviewer. It's just that once the interviewer has done with all his or questions, and in the last, if you are asking the question to the interviewer as well, which can be related to get some more clarity about the job role or about the company or about the people who are working with the company, then it just leave the great impression of yours in their minds. And you can let me know in comment if you want what kind of questions can be framed while asking all this. I trust you like this video. If yes, then please like it, subscribe the channel for more such videos, share it with your friends and family if you are thinking that they are also struggling in interview. If you want some other useful tip which can help you in cracking the interview, you know what you have to do. इतनी सारी वीडियो देखते हो पता ही होगा. You have to comment down below, and I'll meet you in next video. Till then, stay safe and stay happy.